Hey forums, hey everyone. I'm making this little video to detail a small update that I've made to the Whiteboard plugin. So we've added a new action, and the new action, I'll show it to you guys within the plugin manager here. Whiteboard. Okay. The new action is called trigger full screen. Okay. And the way that we trigger this is by creating a button or by creating any sort of automatic workflow where this workflow can be this workflow action can be triggered. For instance, on page load or something like that, or when you receive some sort of data, etc. If we click Start Edit Workflow on this button here, well, all we have to do is we go to Element Actions, and under Element Actions, there's an action called Trigger Full Screen on Whiteboard under the Whiteboard tab. It's really simple. We just click that, and it's going to ask us what element to apply it to. We're going to apply it to Whiteboard number 1. Right? Now let's refresh our page. Let's wait for the whiteboards to load. I don't have the best internet. Alright, so now that the whiteboard is loaded, all we do is we click the Go Full Screen button, and the whiteboard goes full screen. It's as simple as that. Right. So if that's all you came for, you can exit now. Thank you very much for the support. I just want to give you guys a small little tip. On this website here, whiteboard.team/document/API, is a list of functions and methods that are possible within the within the Whiteboard API. Now, if you guys want a new functionality, all you have to do is check this website. And if there's such a method that corresponds to what you need, for instance, if you need a button that does a redo on the whiteboard that is external from the whiteboard, so you need a button somewhere else to be able to redo stuff, or a button somewhere else to be able to clear, then all you need to do is check if that function exists. So if that function exists, for instance, button board.clear, redo or undo, then you may request that this functionality be added, and I'll see to it and see if it's possible. If there is not such a functionality, I am open to sending an email to the founder and asking if that's a possibility. But 90% of the time, if it's not listed here, it probably means that I can't do it, because I have to respect the documentation of the API. Because I'm not the owner of the API, I can't actually make any changes to it. But I can implement these methods into Bubble. So yeah, that's just for informational purposes. So if you guys have any more questions, comments, suggestions, concerns, you can just leave a comment below or message me directly on the Bubble forums. Thank you so much. Have a good day.